model. They're thinking the traditional model will always reign supreme. AI could do so much for that,
Right.
as you know. What are your thoughts on that from a let's dig into that, the model perspective, not just the tech?
Sure. Well, I think there's a couple of things I would want to unpack out of what you just said. The first is the idea that this technology is something that should be confined to a certain specialization, or that I can only understand if I'm a technologist. I think that's a very dangerous perception, and I think
Yeah.
one of the things that educators need to realize is that this is going to be impactful across the entire spectrum of the workforce. And so regardless if traditionally I've been a teacher or if I've been focused in an area that has nothing to do with technology at all, AI will have an impact. And getting people to understand this is not just another cloud computing solution. This is not just something that, a bunch of specialists can provide that expertise for. This is something that I need to understand at a fundamental level, because it will be a part of my daily life going forward.